Hello guys, my name is Matthew and welcome to my AutoCAD tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to play around with dimensions and we are going to measure an arc. So we have some kind of dimensions already going for us, and today we want to create an arc. For example, your house or the project that you are creating is not so, for example, brickety, and we want to create some arc. Let's go like, okay, I don't know what is a normal shape of an arc. Let's go like this. Okay, so let's say this is an arc that we have to measure through dimensions. So we want to go to annotate. And right now, we want to go and measure this arc. For example, we are designing the entry point for a house and we want to have an arc in there. So right now, we have to switch from linear to radius. So this will be the radius of our arc, like above the entry point of a house. We want to make it more, for example, artistic, like that. And we just hit on the arc and automatically it is showing us the radius of 80.52. So just like that, we can add the annotation into our project. So the guy who is going to build it or construct it can exactly know what kind of radius he should use or he should measure for us. This is very important to know for every constructor, for every designer. If you are toying around with arcs, please, this is something that you really have to take into consideration, and you need to state all the curves, all the edges, and so on before you start with creating the set object. So it's always to have it shown. I believe if you send someone a blueprint, he can take it outside himself. But yeah, let's be good guys here and let's do our job properly. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.